Nigerian TV.
The World Health Organization has said that mothers with newborn babies should breastfeed their child even if they have suspected or confirmed cases of a new coronavirus. Based on the available evidence, World Health Organization's advice is that the benefit of breastfeeding outweigh any potential risk of transmission of COVID-19. World Health Organization Chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said at the press briefing, mothers with suspected unconfirmed COVID-19 should be encouraged to initiate and continue breastfeeding and not be separated from their infant unless the mother is too unwell. President Muhammadu Buhari said that the country would be able to transmit and distribute a total of 11,000 megawatts by 2023 with the agreement it has with Siemens. The country and electricity giant Siemens in 2019 signed a 6-year power deal that will lead to the production of 25,000 megawatts of electricity by 2025. Buhari has tasked the firm Transmission Company of Nigeria (TCN) and the Nigeria Electricity Regulatory Commission (NERC) to work on achieving 7,000 megawatts and 11,000 megawatts of reliable power supply by 2021 and 2023 in its first and second phase of deal, respectively. The Oodua Youth President, Asiwaju Rotimi Ajanaku, has stated that the ghost of June 12 will continue to haunt perpetrators until the nation is transformed. Asiwaju Ajanaku, who joined other notable Nigerians to commemorate this year June 12 National Democracy Day, said as long as millions of Nigerians continue to suffer economic hardship, insecurity, and social deprivation, no sinners will go unpunished. What we have as a nation now is the Nigeria that was in the minds of millions of people who joyfully and indiscriminately trooped to streets, not minding differences in religions, ethic, or tribes, to cast their votes for Basarun Mashood Kashimawo Oluwale Abiola to become the president of the great nation on June 12, 1993. There would be no peace for those who truncated Basarun Abiola's victory through the annulment of June 12, 1993 presidential election. I know one thing. As long as the masses in Nigeria continues to suffer, the spirit of June 12 will never stop to haunt the perpetrators of the evil act. And that's the news update for the week. And if you're watching us for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJMTV, and also do not forget to click on the notification bell for more superb videos. I am Umaru Latifa.
Nigerian TV.